boy is going to arrange it. Start with the first row. All three comes in blue color. Wow, the baby pink color. Going for the third row. The coffee color, brown is here. Here comes purple color. Sheep, boat and dinosaurs come in bright yellow color. Yay! The healthy green color is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The powerful color, red. V for violet. It is violet color. Here goes the last and the final tray. The sixth color of the rainbow, indigo. Wow, everything